Oh, beautiful. Dia de Muertos is a time to celebrate our loved ones who have passed. And the main part of this holiday is to cook their favorite foods. This year, Modelo is helping us celebrate by opening its first ever ghost kitchen in New York City to give you a chance to taste the legacy of those who inspired this food. I'm making 3 cheese crusted quesadillas with a salsa borracha that my grandfather Francisco used to love. His friends called him Pancho, but his grandkids call him Yeye. So Yeye, this one's for you. I'm gonna start by making the salsa borracha. So I'm gonna heat my saucepan over medium heat, and I'm gonna chop white onion. I'm gonna cut a jalapeño, a serrano, and a chile de árbol. Yeye was a troublemaker. He loved adding so much heat to everything he ate. So in his honor, I'm adding all these chiles in the salsa. And just like him, I love chunky, spicy, saucy salsas. As this continues to soften, I'm gonna add ripe Roma tomatoes and also 2 tomatillos. Through Modelo's Ghost Kitchen, you're gonna be able to try the quesadillas and the salsa borracha. Salsa borracha many times uses beer. I'm gonna pour about a cup of Modelo Especial and let it cook down for about 5 to 6 minutes until it all thickens and seasons and becomes irresistibly saucy, chunky. This salsa makes me so happy because look at this texture. Preheat the comal over medium heat. So I have 3 different kinds of cheeses. I have the Oaxaca cheese, and then we have the Monterey Jack, and then I have the asadero. So the 3 come together really well in the quesadilla. So I'm gonna add a little bit of each. If you let the cheese melt like this, it becomes a chicharrón de queso or a costra de queso. Adding the tortillas that I already heated. Then we repeat. Another tortilla. And then we add more cheese on the top. You have to make sure that the cheese at the bottom has completely melted and started to create a crust. I mean, just look at these, you know they're ready. Let's plate ripe avocado. Now I'm gonna sauce it like my yaya used to do it. And you know what he would do? He would add even more salsa, whatever was already sauced, because he had so much love for life, for food, for sharing. That was his legacy. Crunchy, melty, cheesy, saucy, a huge celebration.